Let's talk about the Wahl Cordless Seniors and the Cordless Wahl Detailers. Now we're going to be looking at what's in the box, my thoughts on these. I'm going to do a comparison with the corded detailers and the cordless detailers. But first, let's start with the seniors. These are going to cost you around $150 at most beauty supply stores. You can get on Amazon, but sometimes Amazon has a different product. The build of it is made out of metal mostly, then it has this hard plastic at the top, has the opening where you can put the charging cable. But keep in mind, you do have an option to keep it plugged in or just charge it and use it wirelessly. It doesn't come zero gap, but you can just use a screwdriver, loosen up the screws on the blade there, and then adjust the blade the way you like it, and then tighten the screws back. And this is how you zero gap it. And you can also use a screwdriver to adjust the lever, so if the lever is too loose for you, you can just tighten it up a bit. And the lever and the power knob is made out of this rubber material. It has a blue light for the power. It'll blink when it needs to be charged, and when it's solid blue, it doesn't need to be charged. The cable itself is about a good 4 or 5 feet. It has this detachable option on the cable. I'm guessing that's for overseas use, but it doesn't come with any other attachment, so it must be sold separately. So you get the manual, this comb, and all the other little goodies in the bag. Has these guards, but you can use your own guards. I'll leave a link to some guards that'll fit if you need it. Now let's talk about the detailers. So this will cost you around $140 at a beauty supply market. Same thing about Amazon. I don't recommend getting it from Amazon because they may send you the wrong product. The blue light there, it'll blink when it needs to be charged, and it'll show a solid light when it doesn't need to be charged. These have this grip at the back of it. It's a nice touch, and you can use these straight out the box, so you don't have to adjust anything. It comes with its own cable, and of course the goodie bags and the instruction. But the cable, you can either plug it directly to the trimmer or plug it to this cradle here. I'm guessing this is for like people using like it at a barbershop or in-home barbershop. It's kind of weird because it doesn't click in place. It kind of just sits there. But just like the seniors, you can either use it corded or cordless. It's optional. Here's the wired detailers and the cordless detailer side by side. So you can obviously tell the cordless detailers is longer, but it's still lighter than the corded one. And plus the cord makes it feel even heavier. So you get more of a lightweight deal, but here's a quick sound comparison. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's crazy how I didn't expect it. I didn't think this would be the way it is, but the cordless detailers have a more kick or the same kick as the corded one. So you don't lose any power there at all. And the same thing can be said about the seniors. Now, my main concern when buying these was I have to charge them repeatedly. I can tell you, you don't have to worry about charging them repeatedly. You can probably get away with charging it once a month, because you have to keep in mind you probably don't want to cut your hair 3 or 4 times a month. Within 3 weeks, I did 2 haircuts on myself, 2 full haircuts, and a full haircut on my friend that lasted about 30 minutes each. It's probably more than that, but you can say 30 minutes each. And the battery is still going good. I didn't lose any power, and I shouldn't have to charge it until like my 4th or 5th haircut. One thing I can tell you, if you go cordless, you'll never go back to a cord, because the freedom you get using a cordless clipper or cordless trimmer is amazing. You'll be hitting different angles and just trust me, you won't go back. But all right, y'all, that's all I have for you. Hope you found this helpful. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.